All right, number 3 says a local park is in the shape of a square. A map of the local park is made of a scale of 1 inch to 200 feet. Okay, if the park is shown as a square on the map, each side of which is 1 foot long, how long is each side of the square park? So the problem here is we have feet and we have inches. They are not the same. So if I convert 1 foot into 12 inches, that means I have a square park. That's not a square. Let's try that a little better. There we go. I have a square park that's 12 by 12. Well, 12 inches by 12 inches, or 1 inch equals 200 feet, so 12 inches, I'm going to go 12 times 200. Each side of the park is going to be 2,400 feet. Okay? Then it says, if a straight path in the park is 900 feet long, how long would the path be in the map? So now in the park, 900 feet, we want to know what that is. So we're going to go 900 feet divided by 200, and we get 4.5 inches on the map.